So today we are back to making a super healthy pita pockets which are vegetarian and will go great for your lunch or dinner. To make this, you need of course some pita bread. I have used pre-baked pita bread. This is a whole wheat version. You get multiple versions in the market. There is a cup of finely chopped cabbage. There is thinly sliced boiled potatoes. There is some white and red onions finely chopped. A few slices of cheddar cheese. Use cheese of your choice that you like. There is red and yellow baby peppers that are finely chopped. Some finely grated carrots. And then this is the special coriander yogurt dip that I created in my last recipe. The link of this will be up on the top. And that's it. And literally you feel free to add any veggies of your choice that you'd like. Next, take the pita bread and cut it into half. You can clearly see the pockets here, so be very gentle as you make the filling. Let's start by adding in the dip that we made. Remember to follow this recipe. This is amazing. This will add a lot of flavor to your pita bread pocket. Just fill in a generous amount of this because we won't be adding any salt. So it's nice to add this. This is spicy, it's garlicky, and has the right amount of salt. So that's a pretty generous spread in there. Next, I will add in some potatoes. Just layer them on one side. Fill in the cabbage. Add some carrot, peppers. Top it off with some onions and then some cheese slices. And that is it. These are now ready to be grilled. Now we'll take a griller. Take any toaster. Take whatever gadget that you have to grill your pita bread. And then just gently place it. Mine is a non-stick, so I wouldn't be adding any oil or butter. Just be careful that the filling is well done and it's slightly sealed. Let it grill for a bit. It's time to take out the pita bread. And our pita bread pockets are ready. Just cut them as you like and go ahead and dig in.